Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of the Garden Gate. You might not think of the Avant Garden Shop as a place to come and get a lot of gardening tools because we have a lot of decor, which I've spoken about many times in the past, but we do have a really pretty comprehensive selection of tools available here. The Garden Bandit is our most popular tool. We've had that since the day we opened, and I've featured it a couple of times on the show. And it's Canadian made, which is great. So it's a really nice tool, really sturdy. I've never had them brought back because they're broken. They really are durable. So a really nice tool to have for weeding and cultivating in your garden. I'm wearing this heat guard, which is really great for keeping you cool when you're in the garden. It's just this little guy here, and it's got little beads in it that you soak in water. They swell up and it's cool on your neck when you're gardening. It's really nice, and they stay cool for quite a while, and they even make them for dogs. So we've got a whole variety of those, and the dog gets a really cute little bandana when he's walking out in the heat. We've got the Falco pruners, which are really great quality pruners. If you ever do have a problem with those, we can get replacement parts for those. We have a cleaning fluid as well for them, which you could use on other tools too. We have lots of great gloves, really snug gloves, so really great for weeding. We've got all your little digging tools, cutting tools, shovels. We've got the expandable rake, which is also a really popular tool, and kneeling pads, so if it gets hard on your knees, all kinds of great stuff. So drop by and we'll help you pick out a couple of nice tools for the garden and get you started with your projects. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.